Today, I'm sitting down with Junior Mawla, the operations manager at Hurricane Window and Screen, to talk about how bpmPro, our business process management system for window professionals, has impacted their operations. Junior, and you were telling me something very important about the system.
Yes. If you have a system in place and you know where to put the right people and tell them this is your responsibility and nothing else is your responsibility. As long as you have a system in place, it will tell each other what to do. So the systems run my people. It's not the people running my system. The system runs the people.
And from before, since you've been here for so many years, have you been at Hurricane?
23 years.
23. And 2 years on this role. Well, you used to have a CRM prior to having bpmPro on Salesforce.
Correct.
Tell me differences that you noticed with
the
this.
CRM didn't give information, didn't share information from one person to the other. It didn't have information. So when you needed to look up something in the CRM, you had to go ask the actual person, not the CRM system. Now the CRM system is answering for you, whether you're here or not. So I don't have to get in touch with the person. I just have to get in touch with the system. As long as you have the people in the right place, knowing the system runs the business.
Now, how do you like the reports that you get automatically, like every Wednesday?
It's golden. It's golden. It keeps you up to date. It's in the beginning, you feel that you don't need it. And then afterwards, you realize, yes, you do need it. It's a friendly reminder. It's a friendly reminder to where if you thought you remembered it yesterday and you thought for sure that you had it under control yesterday, and something came up in your personal life or in your work life and you forgot, you dropped the ball for a second, this system will remind you the next morning, hey, that one little thing, you remembered 99 things, but you forgot one. And there it is. It's a friendly reminder. In the beginning, you might think it's tedious. What do I need this for? I already had this yesterday. But then you find out, yes, you did need it. A best friend that you have to remind you, hey, you dropped 1 out of 100. Here's your 1. It's a friendly reminder. It's lovely. It's lovely. I like it.
Is your company, you think, saving money because you're using the system?
100%. Money first, we're saving. I need less people to run the business. And then I have everybody being efficient, not confused, not coming here in the morning, lost for an hour and a half, costing me money, not being on the job site. The system tells you where to be if you just follow the system.
How many installs are we talking about here? Maybe weekly or daily that you're coordinating?
I have 4 or 5 different installs happening daily, 5 to 6 days a week.
Yes.
There's parts that are needed, stuff goes wrong on the job, wrong size window, something is scratched, something is damaged, all gets input by a certain person in the system, and then that other person, when they need to check what's going on, it's already there. It's implemented inside the system. Even when there's one window scratched, one window is wrong, the salesman forgot to order a window altogether, whatever the situation may be, the system will connect you to it. As long as you input. You have somebody in place to input the system. In the beginning, I got like, why do we need to do this? Why do we need? And then afterwards, it answered itself. The whole question of why do we need to do this tedious putting in information, this and that, it started to answer itself. People said, oh wow, look, it's right there. 3 months ago, we said this, and there's the pictures of it, and there's the situation, it's all there. So once your people feel comfortable with the system, it will be there to go to for everything. They won't ask each other questions. They go to the system before they ask you a question because it's more accurate than the person.
Before, you guys were doing the payroll every week, weekly to the installers. I know it used to be painful.
Those days are gone. Those days are gone. No longer. The installer knows what he's getting. The people that are running the system know exactly what they paid 8 months ago to a certain person. It's all documented. For instance, God forbid, I lose one of my people tomorrow or tonight. I don't lose my system. I don't have to remember what somebody here did. The system remembers. Somebody gets ill, somebody gets sick. The system doesn't. it stays here with us. So it's very reliable, and it keeps everybody accountable for their mistakes and stuff that they're shy about. It keeps everybody on a straight line. So for me, 100% gets an A+ from me. And I've been doing this for a very long time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.